It's Sybil Wilkes with what you need to know. Today, it's Tuesday, July 2nd, 2024. Number 1, the United States Supreme Court ruled former President Donald Trump has partial immunity from prosecution. Monday, the justices ruled Trump is shielded on some levels from criminal charges for acts he took while in office. The decision could affect all of Donald Trump's pending court cases. This case was centered around federal charges accusing Donald Trump of trying to overturn the results of the 2020 presidential election. Number 2, after President Joe Biden's shaky debate performance, alternate names for the ticket started buzzing, but one name was surprisingly absent, that of Vice President Kamala Harris. A recent Politico poll showed 41% of Democratic voters favored Harris as a hypothetical 2028 nominee, compared to 15% for Transportation Secretary Pete Buttigieg and 14% for California Governor Gavin Newsom. Vice President Harris's aides believe she has grown more adept and confident through her extensive travel and public engagements, and also highlight the potential backlash of replacing Harris with another candidate, particularly among Black voters and delegates. Number 3, too few minorities in this country are pursuing careers in medicine, creating a serious lack of diversity among general practitioners and specialty doctors, according to a new report. For the study, researchers found that in 2012, Black people made up less than 4% of practicing physicians, 6% of trainees in graduate medical education, and 7% of medical school graduates. Number 4, the What You Need to Know newsletter discusses a New York college student from the suburbs of San Francisco who wrote into the Ask Amy column looking for advice on how to handle a Black best friend visiting their white neighborhood. The writer was concerned for the safety of their Black friend, seeing that their neighbors are not used to seeing Black people walking around the neighborhood. Check out the newsletter and Coy Malone's story to see what Amy's response was to the situation. Number 5, we continue our exploration of tax-saving strategies tailored specifically for rental property owners. One crucial deduction to consider is the Section 199A deduction, also known as the Qualified Business Income Deduction. This deduction allows eligible real estate investors to deduct up to 20% of their qualified rental income, reducing their overall tax liability. Our celebrity CPA to the stars, Katrina M. Kraft, goes into further detail about rental property owners' tax-saving strategies. Here's your daily inspiration from Yogi's Jewels. Proper hydrating can help prevent constipation by keeping the digestive system functioning smoothly. Thanks. Join me today live on YouTube and Facebook at 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Central with comedian Damon Williams, political contributor Cameron Riley, and producer Ahmed Gordon as we discuss today's top headlines and more. I'm Sybil Wilkes. Be informed, be empowered.